better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets claws real big, pissed off quick, and if you cross him you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Alrighty guys, so we're over here kind of starting to assemble a couple things on the motor, on the engine, and everything's going pretty good. I got something to kind of surprise you guys with, so I'm going to walk in front of the camera here quick and show you. This is a 78, 75, it's a .96 AR backside, I believe. I can show you all the specs in a second. But this is our new turbo for the build. So it's got a billet wheel on it. It's pretty sweet. So I am going to mock that up on our log here and see what it looks like. But this is the turbo that's going to go on the truck. I'm not going to use that on 37665, I think it is, that I bought with this kit. We're going to use this guy. So pretty sweet, pretty excited about it, and let's throw this thing on there. Hey guys, starting off this video with you today. We're out in the shop working after work. It's a Tuesday, and I want to show you, I did a little time lapse on the engine, but I want to tell you a little bit about it. So we just went and picked this up. This is my 6 liter that's going in the truck. It originally started as an LQ4. I took it to my engine builder, said I want to run up to 15 pounds of boost. He asked me a couple more questions, said say no more, and here it is. So it has a stock crank in it, Gen 4 rods. It's got a Stage 2 Brian Tooley Racing turbo cam in it. It's got a set of Summit Pro LS forged pistons in it. And then it's got a set of 799 heads on it with the correct springs for the cam. The heads are ported and they are ported so much so, I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you, but I'll try. They're ported so much that you might just be able to see that the rocker arm up here, you can feel the bolt right back where my finger is for the rocker arm. So the heads are opened up a lot, and this thing's gonna make us some pretty good power. So I'm pretty excited about it. You guys will see this eventually getting dropped into the engine or into the truck, the rest of the truck here pretty soon. We have ARP head bolts. The rings are gapped for 15 pounds of boost or less. And I just want to show you, we did decide on going white with it, but this is how I picked it up. He did an awesome job on it. The paint looks good, the damper looks good, the heads look awesome. So really happy with it, and really excited to get in the truck and hear this thing with the turbo on it. Alrighty guys, just got the turbo set on here. I am going to see if I can grab the box here really quick so I can read some of this stuff off to you. Anyways, so the turbo is set on there. It is a, like I said, 78 millimeter front, 75 back. The front is a 0.75 AR and the back is a 0.96. So the backside flow is pretty good. Close to 1.0, which is what we want for a 6 liter. That's the whole reason I didn't end up using that 7664 that I have on the bench over there, because it's too small for a 6 liter. It'd work great on a 5.3 or a 4.8, but not on here. So I do have to say that freaking black turbo with the white engine looks freaking money. That looks really good. So I'm really happy with that. The only thing that I'm not super happy with that I'm gonna have to check out and make sure is I put the manifold on here and it's not torqued down, but it is, I would say, somewhat snug. And I have a gap between the cylinder head and the manifold in the front, and just barely you can see daylight through it in the back. So I'm probably gonna have to pull this manifold back off, which isn't a huge deal. I'll just maybe find a second set of hands or something to help me out. But I gotta make sure that's flat, because I don't want to put this whole thing together and then be pulling manifolds. So I'm a little worried that it's bent. There was a little bit of like almost copper gasket RTV on it that I cleaned up, and so like I said, I'm a little worried that it's bent now that I cleaned that off and then I went to go install it and see daylight. So we might have to get that machine down or something like that. But yeah, we'll figure that out. I wanted to get this mocked up and see what it looks like. I'm pretty freaking stoked looking at it. So I think this is gonna kind of be the end of this video on getting the engine and stuff like that. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a ton for watching. I appreciate the views, appreciate the subscriptions if you've subscribed. Thanks to all my good buddies in person that have been tagging along and supporting me. I really appreciate it. So till the next time, we're gonna be welding on this frame in the next video. But until next time, enjoy yourself, enjoy whatever you're working on. Have a nice day. See you then.